Anyway, I cracked open quite a bit of this, and I'm going to vacuum up all this fine stuff in here. This little vacuum is not the best, but it's 12 volt. I don't have to pack around a generator, just the battery thing. So I'm going to turn this on and suck this up. A lot of fine stuff down here, which is good. Way down at the bottom. Hopefully you can see a little bit what I'm doing. Vacuum goes on so far and then it just doesn't want to suck anymore. It's got too much stuff in it. But for my usage, it does pretty good. Now, there's still more material down in the cracks there. I'm going to get something else to pick that out. So, be right back.